This is Abby. Welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a tour of my grandparents' farm. So let's get started. So right here is where we keep most of the cattle. We have a lot more of this off of our land, but yeah. So right here is where they keep like right here, pregnant cows, or sometimes my horse, whenever we have a broken fence, or like a calf loses its mother. That's the farmhouse where my grandma and grandpa live. And as you see, most of these flowers are my grandma's. And so over there is my parents' shop, where my grandpa keeps all of his tractors. There's the well house. So yeah. The best place on this farm is, I'd have to say, my grandpa's barn, which we're walking to right now, because that's where we house my horse, Miss Abby. Kind of funny, yeah, but she's a month and 8 days younger than me, and she's been my best friend ever since she was born. So, yeah. Right now, she is 13 years old. 5 months, she is going to turn 14. She's my baby. I don't come to see her a lot anymore since I became a teenager. But whenever I do, I make sure we have a lot of time to spend together. Look right here. It's a river. Whenever that is down low, we'll go walking through it, me and my aunt, my sister, and sometimes my cousins. So look right here. This is the awesome barn. Like we house in stray cats and all that. Let me call Miss Abby out. Abby! Abby! Come here, girl! Come on! Come on! So, I'll let you get a look of her. This is Miss Abby. My best friend in the whole world. Abby, can you say hi to the camera? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Huh? Hey. Okay, be that way. But yeah, that's the awesome Miss Abby. Here, kitty, kitty. My cat had some kittens, so we started that. We started this tradition where if we found a stray cat, we'd bring it here. So yeah, we keep feeding here for them. Say hi, kitty. But yeah, so this place, I came here since I was not even born. This place is something. We have a lot more property, like where my great-great-grandparents used to live before they passed away. My uncle lives there now. We call that the home place. We have a lot of wood there where we go hunting. And then my cousin, he has a lake there. We call Tim's Lake. I go fishing there a lot. Then there's some acreage across from my house that we go, and we'll go hunting there too. And we can also keep cattle at both places. We also have some near, it's called the Saddle Club, where the Lions Club members go for their meetings. We have some acreage back behind that place too, where we also keep some more cattle. So yeah, I love our little town, but it's also cold here in the winter. So that tree my sister got stuck in last summer, this big one. She had to use a ladder to get up in it, and then I took the ladder out, and so she had to jump, and she was so scared that we had to end up pushing her out of the tree. I have a lot of memories here, and that's why I'm giving the tour, because I thought you guys would love it. Here's some more places where we keep some cattle. We don't keep it, unless it's a calf, We don't keep it in a barn. So, look at this. We used to have a back acreage where we kept like 5 horses. But my grandpa sold that along with the horses. So Miss Abby is the only one we have left. So thanks for watching. Bye.